I'm a mile up the trail from Dix Creek Gap. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't been rained on yet, but boy, it sure did rain on the way out here. So I'm sure sooner or later, I'm probably going to get a good soaking. So the bad news is there's a snake. The good news is I don't think he's poisonous. There he is. He is hanging out into the trail, which is probably the only reason I saw him. But he's a pretty mellow snake. I really love these trails that are in the middle of a ridge. If you look down, you're way over the bottom, wherever it is. And if you look up, it's quite a ways up there to the top. And I am just in the middle. Not the high road, not the low road. But it's a good walk in the woods. This might be what the birds were telling me about. It's cooling down, and actually the water feels kind of nice. So this is the morning of day 2. It's probably 9:30, 10 o'clock. I started out hiking in the rain because it appears it's going to rain all day, so nothing for it but to get out here. Temperature's pretty mild, and oddly enough I'm not sweating, so I got that going for me. This is the trail northbound. We're near the top of a ridge. And this is the trail southbound, the way I came from. I made it to the Muskrat Creek shelter. It's about 3 o'clock. Feels good to get the pack off and get some dry clothes on. I saw the sun about 3 times for about a combined total of 90 seconds. So it's been pretty much either walking through the clouds or walking through the rain. Actually, an awesome fire pit here. Even with a bit of firewood for us if we can get it going. And I like that there are places to sit. This is the shelter. Not quite as nice as last night's, but it'll probably work.